Hello people, and for this round, we're gonna show you how to remove the white background in a black and white image. Now, the first thing we have to do is to select the whole image, either by dragging a box or by selecting all over here and select, like so. Now we just need to copy, Control C, and then create a new layer, delete the background, and look for the paint bucket tool, and we'll select the color, and by default it's already on black, so that's fine. Now just fill that, so we can deselect this for a bit, and then once we're selected on the layer, just click vector mask, or this icon, this one here, and now we have to hold Alt and then click. Now once that's white, just select the area again, because I deselected that earlier, didn't need to, and then paste the image. Now go to image, over here at top, adjustments, and then invert. Once that's inverted, let's just go back here to the layers and then just click on the black layer. And there you go. Just click outside to deselect the image. You can export that as a PNG, and there you have it. The white background is removed. Now if you have any questions, you can just leave it in a comment down below. Otherwise, if this video helped you out, you can always like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.